Hello everyone. I'm super excited to start this Ollama series. In this series, you will learn each and everything about Ollama. So, to start with the Ollama, first of all, you have to install the Ollama server on your local machine. So, you can go to the ollama.com and download section. Here you will find the different options, Mac, Linux, and Windows. So you can choose the option as per your requirement. If you're going with the window, then you can choose this. And the system requirement will be the Windows 10 or laters will support the same. So go with this, download and simply install this, and then you will be able to see the Ollama icon in your taskbar. And next, you can click type in browser localhost colon 11434, and you will see Ollama is running. It's if this option is coming, then you are able to you have installed Ollama server successfully on your local. It's nothing, just simply exe, and you have to download and install. And I have already installed it. That's why it's running, coming. Ollama is running. Message is coming over there. So next, you go and can create a login over there. You can log in over Ollama.com. You can use your email IDs, and then you can have the different options to use it. Either you can download it, Ollama model locally, or you can use its cloud server. So you can go and can generate the keys even. So here you can generate the keys, right? And next is different Ollama models you can also serve. So I'll cover all these things in the same video. So right now my Ollama server is running, and have installed it, and Ollama server is running successfully on my server, on my local machine. Next, let me open my doc. So let's start with Ollama. What is Ollama? Ollama is the easiest way to get up and running the large language models such as the GPT, Gemini, DeepSeek, Quinn, and other models. Llama is the easiest way to run the large language model. So I hope you are already aware with the large language models. So what are the large language models? And if we'll talk, then suppose this is my model, and I give the input over here, and I receive the output. Here is the input, and here I got the output, and this is my LLM. In this way, this is a traditional way. We were giving the input and we were getting the output, and this is the LLM which was accepting the prompt, and we are getting the response. So we have the different options. We can use the ChatGPT, OpenAI, we can use the Gemini, but those are using cloud API, and using that you have to pay if you want to use, and you have the limited quota, and after that if you want to use, then you have to pay. And whereas and another thing is that your data was also getting exposed to some API. Here there was some API, if I say, to which we were making the call. If we are using Gemini or in ChatGPT, then the calls were getting to the API, and our data is getting exposed over there to the external environment. But this limitation is not there. Right now, Ollama is providing us the feature. Either we can go with the APIs, or we can go with the second option. What is that second option? Second option is I want to use this in local. You can download it. You can download your model and can use it locally. So what will happen? In this case, your model will stay on your hard disk, on your local, and you will be able to make a call input to this local LLM, and then will get the response back from this LLM. You are not exposing your information, sensitive information. Suppose you are a company, you are a health organization, or you are some financial organization, and you have the critical information, and you cannot expose that info. You don't want to expose that information to the API. Then you can go and download your models locally. I'll let you know how you can download in the later coming videos, how you will download and how you will play with the different models locally. So in this way, our data will be more secure and it will remain within our network, within our server or our local machine, right? So if we are using it on local, if I'm using it on the local server over here, then I do not need anything like a key or etc. I just show you that we need some keys over here. I talk about the keys. So API keys and device keys, right? So I will talk about this. API keys, there are two type of keys. API keys is required when I need to reach out this API, and using this API, my data will be exposed. If you do not want to expose your data, then use locally. Then your local resources will use. If you want to use it on the cloud, then you need have some key. You can configure that key, and you will get some quota, limited quota to use that. And after that, you have to pay for that, as the other APIs are doing. So right now, our main focus will be to use the local models, download it locally on our machine, and make the use of that. And device key is that once you will make an account and you will download your models, so your local models will be integrated with your live cloud account. So if you'll make any change and if you want to sync it with your device model with your cloud, then those syncing can be done. Once you will make account, then your device key will automatically get stored in your Ollama folder configuration key. So these are the two keys which will be getting used only if you are dealing with the API cloud. But in locally, it's not required. So you can go with the same. That's all for this video. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.